Hey guys, welcome to lesson number 6. We are midway through our Japanese grammar course and have learned many exciting things in previous lessons. We have learned everything from sentence formation in the present tense to asking and replying to questions. In this lesson, we will discuss the order of actions using but and after, indicating orders of actions using before and more similar things. You will also be able to express your desires in Japanese after getting your hands on this lesson. But before that, watch all the previous lessons. I have made everything more straightforward for you. Also, subscribe to the channel and like the video to show your support. Let's get into our lesson number 6. 1. How to describe the order of the action using before. First of all, we are about to learn the order of the actions using before in the sentence. Suppose you have to say that you must do something before doing something. Formation: before. Insert the verb's dictionary form or a noun. It means before doing, do. Let's have some examples. Every morning, I go to the bathroom before I leave home.
毎朝家を出る前にトイレに行きます。毎朝家を出る前にトイレに行きます。
Check the price before buying a book.
本を買う前に値段をチェックします。本を買う前に値段をチェックします。
The sentence's tense is determined by the tense of the final verb. Let's try to create more sentences in your notebook. I will shop before the party.
パーティーの前に買い物をします。パーティーの前に買い物をします。
I drink coffee before going to work.
仕事に行く前にコーヒーを飲みます。仕事に行く前にコーヒーを飲みます。
Remember that you have to use this pattern to describe the order of action. Be careful about the form. The noun you have to use is particle no to connect. 2. Learn about an action's order using after. Now, let's learn about action order using after in the sentence. Suppose you have to say that you will read a book after taking a shower or something like that. How will you speak such sentences in Japanese? Let's learn. V, ta form, atode, verb. N, no atode, verb. Means after, doing, do. This grammar is also used when indicating an action's order. Let's try to create some example sentences. I do some cleaning after doing laundry.
洗濯した後で掃除します。洗濯した後で掃除します。
I go out after breakfast.
朝ごはんを食べた後で出かけます。朝ごはんを食べた後で出かけます。
After getting off work, she went straight home.
彼女は仕事の後でそのまま帰りました。彼女は仕事の後でそのまま帰りました。
The sentence's tenses are determined by the tense of the final verb. Always uses the ta form. Let's try to create more sentences in your notebook. I go home after buying bread.
パンを買った後で家へ帰ります。パンを買った後で家へ帰ります。
After work, we have a drinking party.
仕事の後で飲み会があります。仕事の後で飲み会があります。
3. Use of but in Japanese. As we are heading towards advanced Japanese, it's time to learn the use of but. But is precisely the same as we learned the use of particle in previous lessons to connect two sentences. For but, we use kedo. It is a conjunctive particle and represents conjunction or paradox. It can also be used as a sentence ending particle. Compared to ga, kedo is often used in casual conversation. It is mainly used with elemental forms. Let's try to create more sentences. This cake is delicious but very expensive.
このケーキは美味しいですけれど、とても高いです。このケーキは美味しいですけれど、とても高いです。
Sports are fun, but a person tires out.
スポーツは楽しいですけど、疲れます。スポーツは楽しいですけど、疲れます。
4. How to express your experiences in Japanese. Now, we are about to explore how to tell your experiences in Japanese. For instance, you have to say that you have done a master's degree recently, but you don't know how to speak that in Japanese. Pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. Formation, V, ta form, koto ga arimasu. It means that I have done. The polite form is ta form, verb plus koto ga arimasu. In English, it means have the experience of doing something. This sentence pattern is specifically used to tell about your experiences. Let's try to create sentences. I've been to Hokkaido.
北海道に行ったことがあります。北海道に行ったことがあります。
I have eaten expensive meat before.
高い肉を食べたことがあります。高い肉を食べたことがあります。
Please note that the verb in this sentence uses the ta form. If you ask a question, you'd ask ta form, verb plus koto ga arimasu ka? To respond positively, you say arimasu. Negatively, arimasen. Now try to create more sentences in your notebook. I have eaten sushi before.
寿司を食べたことがあります。寿司を食べたことがあります。
5. How to tell about your needs in Japanese. Now, we will learn how to express your desire or say a sentence to say that you want something. In short, we are going to talk about your needs. For example, I need a pen. Formation, en ga hoshii desu. It means I want en. Is an order adjective. The postpositional particle that accompanies hoshi is ga. For example, I want a car.
車が欲しいです。車が欲しいです。
I want a new hat.
私は新しい帽子が欲しいです。私は新しい帽子が欲しいです。
This usage is a direct expression of desire, so the subject is always I. In most cases, it is omitted. Since hoshi is an e adjective, the conjugation rules of e adjectives for negative past tense forms are applied. Try to make these sentences in your notebook. I don't really want money.
お金はあまり欲しくないです。お金はあまり欲しくないです。
I don't want a cat.
猫が欲しくないです。猫が欲しくないです。
6. How to express the desire. This usage expresses the speaker's desire when they do something. Formation: the polite form uses des. The simple form sentence pattern is V mas form tai. V mas form tai des. I want to do. Tai follows the same conjugation as e adjectives. The conjugation rules of verb plus tai.
行く、行きたい、飲む、飲みたい、食べる、食べたい。
When the verb's objective word is inserted, the postpositional particles are o or ga. Examples: I want to go to Hokkaido.
私は北海道へ行きたいです。私は北海道へ行きたいです。
I want to buy a car.
車を買いたいです。車を買いたいです。
How to make past tense. To make past tense,
車を買いたかったです。車を買いたかったです。
how to make negative. The present negative form is
車を買いたくないです。車を買いたくないです。
As such, the tense's conjugation rules of V plus tai are the same as E adjectives. Just like the first usage, en ga hoshi desu. This grammar is used for the first person's desire or request, while the second or third person's desire cannot be expressed. However, the speaker can use this expression to ask the second person about their desire. Likewise, when you ask someone for something. 7. How to ask about someone's choice amongst 2 or 3 options. Suppose you and your friend are standing in front of a food stall. How would you ask which one she likes the most? Sandwiches or cheese wraps in Japanese? Let's learn about this fun grammar. Formation: N1 to, N2 to dochira ga? Adjective desu ka? Which one is more adjective, N1 or N2? N1 slash N2 no hoga adjective desu slash dochira mo adjective desu. N1 slash N2 is more adjectives. Both are adjectives. This is an expression for the speaker to allow the listener to make a comparison between two things. Which do you like more, apples or oranges?
リンゴとみかんとどちらが好きですか？リンゴとみかんとどちらが好きですか？
I like oranges more.
みかんの方が好きです。みかんの方が好きです。
The responses are N1 slash N2 no hoga adjective desu or dochira mo adjective desu. Also, when the speaker asks another person's opinion. Let's try to do more examples like, which do you like better, summer or winter?
夏と冬とどちらが好きですか？夏と冬とどちらが好きですか？
Which do you prefer, meat or fish?
肉と魚とどちらが好きですか？肉と魚とどちらが好きですか？
Which is larger, the US or Japan?
アメリカと日本とどちらが広いですか？アメリカと日本とどちらが広いですか？
8. How to declare something best among the two. To get to this point, let's first learn about what kind of sentences these are in English. Suppose there are 2 cars and you want to say that one is better than the other. How would you say this in Japanese? Formation: ichiban plus adjective. Is the adjective superlative? This expresses that N2 is the best among N1. When you form a question, you use interrogative words such as nani, doko, dare, itsu, and so on. N1 no naka de, N2 ga ichiban, adjective desu. N2 is the most adjective in N1. Let's have a look at examples. Which foreign foods do you like the best?
外国の料理で何が一番好きですか？外国の料理で何が一番好きですか？
I like Thai food the most.
タイ料理が一番好きです。タイ料理が一番好きです。
So, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you have it all clear in your mind. Still, if you have confusion or queries, just write them down in the comment section. With this, I must say that don't forget to watch previous lessons if you haven't watched them yet and submit your homework timely. See you in the next lesson.